Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna show you a miracle. A miracle. The miracle of the red card that is going to vanish inside the blue one. It's a beautiful thing. I have a red card. This is the one that is going to vanish, and it's going to vanish inside the blue one. So I put it there. Clear. I close. I'm gonna press. Nothing. Here, nothing. Look at this. Sorry. This is weird. This is not the idea. No. Let me come back. This is no. Let me come back. The idea is that the car is not facing down. It's disappear. Here, nothing. That's weird. That's weird, but it's moved. It's okay. You wanna see how it is vanished? Let me come back and I do it again. The red card. Maybe. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. This is not the trick. The idea is maybe another day because I need a red card to. Okay. It's a beautiful trick with a red card but maybe I will show you another day. Okay. Another day. Okay. I don't know, but that doesn't work.